Good morning from Nova Scotia, and we are going to test out the new update that I just got this morning. It is 2022.20.18. Come for a drive with me. Have a blinker here, and there we go. We got the blinker. We got the light. The light is green, and I've got my hands on the wheel. Oh, the car kind of went out and back in. It's going super duper fast around there. I don't know why. Oh, we're just slamming the brakes on. Have no idea why. As you can see, there's nothing around here that I would have slammed the brakes on for. All good. Our destination is right up here, as you can see. So the blinker should be put on. I did go to the superstore. The superstore is right there. The car is coming up to the set of lights. I don't know, it kind of has us landing around here. So this is Elmsdale. Let's do it. Ooh, do you know what? That truck, the car didn't. The car didn't know. So I'm just going to put it back in FSD. As you can see, I just disengaged there because the truck was coming out, and he needed a bit more room. So, and the car was still pulling up. So I disengaged FSD beta. Back go through. Why are we stopping again in the middle of the road? Okay, that's weird. Okay, for the second time. I should have actually put a bug report in. I just clicked that now, bug report, because that's twice in the same spot, because I just drove by and it did the same thing. So we just click it, hit the bug report. This truck is well over in my lane. Woo! Okay. Okay. I'm just going to take that out right there. I'm going to put it back into FSD beta. Holy. I don't know if you could see that on camera, but that was really close, guys. Really close. Okay. The car's doing the right thing. We're getting into the left lane, and we are going to turn left at the set of lights. Ooh, that car. In and out. Yep. See? It's okay for traffic. Okay, we totally should have turned. I'm not sure. I'm just going to push the accelerator, and I'm going to let... Okay. All right. The car went in. A little... Okay, I disengaged there. It's hands on the wheel still. Hands on the wheel. FSD beta. So, yeah. Thanks for joining me today. I know this is a really quick, short video, but I just really was excited to get this update today and just show you guys what's going on with the new update. And here I am at the Sobeys Plaza Mall in Elmsdale. We reached our destination, and we hope you can join us on the next drive. Subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.